Hello, am I audible, ma'am? Am I audible to all of you? We'll start with a prayer. Ya kundendu tushar har dhavala ya shubhra vastravrutta ya veena vardanda mandita kara ya shweta padmasana या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिर्दैवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यपहा. Will share my screen. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, yes, Dada.
Okay. So let's start. In last class, first of all, if I am audible properly to you, yeah?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So we have in last class we have covered the concept of digit sum, how to use the digit sum for cross verification of basic arithmetical functions. Then how to do the base multiplication and multiplication of a numbers near base for the two-digit numbers. Yeah. So that we have covered in our last class. So just a revise, we will revise it first and then we will move on to the today's topic of higher multiplication. Yeah. So in digit sum is a summation of all the digits so that ultimately you get a single digit. Another word we or another rule we learned that you can ignore the number 9 or set of numbers which add up to 9 when finding the digit sum numbers. Okay. And we use those digit sum technique to cross check all fundamental operations of arithmetic, that is addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Yeah. If okay, we now we have also covered the base numbers. Base numbers are same number of zeros as that of number of digits in a given number. Say 45 means two numbers, two digits, two zeros above one. There are 6 digits in the next number. That's why there are 6 zeros above 1. So that is the base multiplication. We have also covered that how to multiply using base multiplication technique for the numbers which is near to the base. Okay. First of all, try to understand the pattern here. Pattern, the numbers we are thinking or we are learning, which are very near to the base. Yeah. So 94 into 96, how we do it? We take a base as 100.
Yes, 100.
Then we subtract that from 100. 94 minus 100, we get minus 6, minus 4. Yeah. Then minus into plus, that's why 6 4s are 24. Then you can subtract anything, 94 minus 4 or 96 minus 6, anything, answer is the same. So answer is 9024 that we have covered in our last class. So today, in today's class, we are going to see the other further types of the same type of problem. If the number is above base, okay, not near to base, but below, but above the base number. Say for example, 12 and 14. How to do it? We take a base same as 10. Only the difference is that that number minus base. it obviously comes positive, positive. Okay, so it becomes plus 2 plus 4. Okay, so 2 fours are 8. And then why I have put the addition or subtraction sign? So that we remember we need to add here. So answer is 12 plus 4, okay, is the 16, or 14 plus 2 is 16. So answer is 168. Technique is same. Yeah. Another example, 104 into 105. How we do it? Take it plus 4. Okay, because base is 100, so 104 is above 4. So plus 5. Okay, 5 fours are 20. Base has two zeros, we got two digits, we don't need to do anything. Then 104 plus 5. So 109, or 105 plus 4 is again 109. So answer is 109.20. Yeah, same technique. Only thing, we are now considering the number which is above base. Means we are just little ahead of the base number. Yeah. Is this clear? Yeah, if it is clear, then I will go to the next part. Yeah. If it is this clear to all of you, so that I can go to next slide?
Yes, clear.
Yeah. Okay. Next, multiplication of base numbers. So we can do it even orally. 107 into 104. 7 4 the 28. 107 plus 4. See, 107 and 104. Base is 100. Above is number is 7. Above number is 4. So we just multiply 7 into 4. That is 28. And 107 plus 4. 107 plus 4. So that is 111. Yeah. So answer is 11128. Or 107 into 108. So we can simply do 7 8 the 56. 107 plus 8, 115. So it's very easy. We don't need to even do any difficult or very complex calculations here. Okay, so 133 into 103. 33 3s are 99. Yeah, 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 3 is 9. 133 plus 3, that is 136. Only one should be aware that if the base is 100 and the second part of the sum comes a single digit, then we need to add a leading zero, because base has two zeros in it. So 102 into 104 means 4 twos are 8. Yeah, 102 plus 4 is 106. But as the base contains two zeros, so we need two digits on the right hand side. That's why we add a leading zero without changing the value of it. Because if I put a zero afterwards, it becomes 80. So answer may go wrong. That's why we put a leading zero. Yeah. So answer is 106.08. Is this scenario clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I will go next. Yeah. Now think about large numbers. Okay. How to solve the problem with a large numbers, but at least one number is near to the base. Okay. Suppose my problem is that 568 into 998. Just observe the problem. It is very important in mathematics that we should observe the problem very carefully. Look for the pattern. So 998 is near to the base. Both has three digit number. So obviously base is 100. Then we can take the difference, 568. So to find the difference faster, we can use the formula all from 9, last from 10. Nikhilam navam charam dashataha, that we learned in the two class before. So 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3, 10 minus 8 is 2. So 432. Obviously this is simple. 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, 10 minus 8 is 2. Then 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. And to avoid the complicated calculations, we can simply subtract the smaller number. So you can do even this way, but it is complicated to subtract 998 minus 432. what is easier? 568 minus 2. So I simply do that. So 568 minus 2 is 566. So ultimate answer is 566, 864. Clear?
What model?
Clear? Now think about even
Sir,
bigger.
please explain it. Sir, please explain it again.
Okay.
566.
Okay. So
568
560,
multiplied by
yeah, 568 into 998. It
yeah.
is a 3-digit number. So what is the
Yes.
base? 1000.
1000.
Now we need to find the difference between 568 and the base. What is the easier technique? To use the all from 9 last from 10, that is Nikhilam Navam Charam Dashataha. We learned that into the, I think, Pushpa number 3 or 4. Or, yeah. So how to do that? 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. 10 minus 2 is 2. Then 998 minus 1000 is again answer 2. I need to put a minus sign here. Yeah. Then I multiply 432 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. And instead
Yes.
of doing subtraction 998 minus 432, I'm a lazy person, so I just do a smallest thing. So 568 minus 2 is easy.
Minus. Okay.
So 568 minus 002 is 566. 68 minus 2 is
566.
66. Yeah. So final answer
Yeah.
is 566, 864. Clear?
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next. Yeah. Observe the number again. See, number of digit doesn't matter. 68777 999 997. This is number near to the base. So I can take a base. Also number of digits are same. So I put the equal zeros. There are how many? 9 digits. I put a, sorry, 5 digits. I put a 5 zeros. 1 0
Five
or,
zeros.
yeah, because there are 5 digits in it. Yeah. Then I find the difference between this number and base. How I can do it? Using all from 9 last from 10. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 10 minus 7 is 3. Yeah.
Three.
And then obviously this difference will be 9 minus 9 0 0 0 0 and 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. Yeah. Then I multiply. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos
Three
are
to
6. 3 threes are 9. And I subtract only the smaller digit. So last 7 minus 3 is 4. I keep
four,
remaining
seven,
4 digit
seven,
as it
four.
is. Yeah. So answer is 68774 93669. Even the larger
Okay.
numbers, we can do it manually or orally. That's what I wanted to teach. Yeah. So multiplication of a large number where at least one of the number is near the base, it is very useful technique. Yeah.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So now let's practice more. Say we will start with the 3 digit, then we move to the 4. Now 667
Six,
998.
7.
One number is near
Yeah.
the base. What is the base of this?
9 minus 6.
No, no. What is the base? My question is
This
base
is
or base?
1000.
1000. So I find the difference. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3.
3.
Difference is 2. Yeah. So 667 minus 2 is 665. And 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. That's why answer is 665, 666. Clear? Very simple. Second, 768 into 997. Base is again 1000. So 9 minus
Yes.
7 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay,
Yeah.
997 means 3. 768 minus 3 is 765. And 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 twos are 2. Sorry, 3 twos are 6. So answer is 765, 696. Even single step, you don't need to even write it. Any steps you can do it mentally even. So triple eight, sorry, 4 times 8, 9996. What is the difference? 4. Difference is
9
9
minus
minus
8.
8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, so triple 4 times 8 minus 4 is 3 times 8 4, and just multiply 4 into this difference. 4 into 1 4, 4 into 1 4, 4 into 1 4, 4 to the 8. So final answer is triple 8,
884.
triple 8, 4 times 4 and 8. Yeah,
8.
clear?
Very
Yeah, is this clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Very simple.
yes.
There is
Yeah,
nothing
very
complicated about it. Only once you understand the technique, it's very easy. Yeah, just follow the pattern and follow the numbers. That's it. Suppose now let us take the number which is above the base. Now my sum is 1234 into 1003. So this is near to the base. Okay, always remember this technique is for near to the base, not very far away from the base, because we shouldn't be like making the problem more complicated. Okay. So 1234 into 003. So it is above by 3. So I just add it into 1234 plus 3. So 1237. Then I multiply 3 into 234. Okay. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. I adjust that 2 as it is, 9 plus 1 10, 0 as it is, 1 next. So 6 plus 1 7. So final answer is 1237 702. Is this problem clear?
no, I didn't come to know how you got that 6912.
Yeah. Okay. What is the base here? 1000.
1000.
Difference is 234.
Yeah.
So 234 into 3.
Okay.
So 3 2s are
Okay.
6,
3 to the 6,
3 3s are 9,
9, and
3
3
4s
was
are
4
12.
3 12. Correct.
So we need to adjust this part. So 2 as it is, 9 plus 1 10. So 0 as it is, 1 next. 6 plus 1 7. The left part is 1237. So final answer is 1237 702. Clear? So we are using the same technique what we learned here for the above numbers for the large numbers. Okay, the technique is same. Only we are utilizing it for the single row process. Okay, here see number is say 10,021 into 10,002. I just take a base as 10,000. Very simple. 21 2s are 42. Base has 4 zeros, so I add 2 leading zeros, and I simply add 21 plus 2, so 23. So I simply write 100230042. Single line answer possible. Hmm? Clear? Is this some clear how I did it?
Yes, it is clear, but what I notice is while doing this, I tend to miss out on the number of like I tried this over here on paper. I missed out the double zeros before 42. So I
Yeah,
forgot
reason
to
is
convert.
that's
Yeah.
why see you need to consider the base, number of zeros within the base. Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
once or another technique, you can simply write a base on the head so that you will remember.
Okay.
Just write 10000 on the top here. Okay, so
Yes.
that I hold it in my mind. That's why I do it. Okay, but
Okay.
with the
Okay.
practice you can do it. But why we are putting leading zeros? Because we need to keep the same number of digits on the right hand side with the same number of zeros in a base. There are 4 zeros in a base. That's why I need to put a right part as a 4 digits in it. So without changing the value of 42, how I can do that? I just add a leading zero. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
So, sir, explain it again, the second part. 1237 I got, but 69112. How you got it 6102 down?
See, we need to adjust. See, on this last unit position, there are 2 digits.
Yes.
So obviously 2 digits is not possible at one place. So we need to adjust. So we keep 2 as it is, move 9, 1 into the 9. Yeah, so 9 plus
Okay,
1,
9 plus 1.
10.
10.
Again, I got a 2 digit here. I cannot put a 2 digit in a 10th place. So I need to put 0, move the 1 to the next.
Okay, 702.
Or see, mathematical explanation I can give you. What is the value of 6?
Okay.
Value of 6 is 600. Yeah.
Yes.
Value
Yeah.
of 9 is 90.
Yeah.
So I add 600 plus 90 plus 12. 600 plus
Okay.
90 plus 12. Ultimately, it comes to 702.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
mathematical explanation of it. Yeah. But
Okay.
to use it, very simple technique, I just adjust the places. Okay.
That's it. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Any doubt, ma'am? Like, feel free to ask so that the concept are clear in your mind. Yeah. Everyone clear? Should I move to next part?
Yeah. We'll do the second one also.
Yeah.
100.
One, like, write it down on your paper. So what is the base?
Yeah.
1 0 0 0 0. Difference
Yeah.
is 21.
Okay.
Difference is 2. So
Yeah.
21 twos are 42. We need 4 digits. So we write 0042 and simply add 21 plus 2 to 23. Write the remaining part as it is.
I have a small question. We say
Yeah.
that, like you said, you have been saying right from the beginning that while in mathematics in any format we go from left to right, right?
Yeah.
For any numbers. But in multiplication over here, for example, we are multiplying when we multiply 234 by 3, we are going from right to left because first we
See,
say 3 4 3s are 12.
no, it's not like that. See, for explanation purpose, I did that. See, 2, 3, 4
Okay.
into 3. You can do 3 into
Yes.
2, 6, 3 into 3,
Yes.
9, 3 into 4, 12.
9. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Just,
Okay.
just we adjust it.
Okay.
Yeah. So see,
Okay.
it doesn't matter. It just for explanation purpose so that you remember it quickly. That's why.
All right.
Otherwise, ideally, you should be doing from left to right only. Clear? Means it's like playing an harmonium. Like if you see the note sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, and then again you can reverse play sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. Yeah, that's the same logic. Yeah. Yeah. Is this clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, okay. See, today's class we learn the base multiplication near the base numbers, which is above base and below base. Yeah. And the base which is, see, only one thing you all need to remember very carefully. Base number or base multiplication is only useful if the number is near to the base. If the difference is too high, it is very complicated. Means you cannot multiply 56 by 47 with this technique. Okay, because this technique is not useful for that kind of an problems. So for those kind of an problems, there is a generic technique called the Urdhva Tiryagam, that is called the vertical and crosswise, that we learn in the next class. But this is only useful if the number is just below the base or just above the base. Yeah? The variation from the base shouldn't be too high. Yeah? And hence, it is very important that one should observe the problem and choose the technique. Means I always give an analogy of a war. Suppose if your opponent is throwing again like the Agneyastra, so you should use the Jalastra. Okay, so depending on what type of problem is coming, you should choose the right astra to fight. So
Yes.
similarly, what type of problem, or observe the pattern, observe the number, and then decide what to use. And it should happen in a fraction of a second within your brain, because brain is capable to understand. Okay, your eyes are also trained to understand. Only you need to develop the uh, concentration on the numbers or the patterns of within the number. So the mathematics, solving the Indian techniques or the Indian mathematics really help us to develop that particular concentration on the numbers, because then you learn how to read the pattern, how to read the numbers, their sequences, and then how to use them, those sequences in itself. That is very critical as a student, that we should develop a technique, because if our mind is not stable at one particular number or calculation, 200% we will make a mistake. Yeah. So that's why I always say to all the students of the class that keep on doing practice. Okay, take more numbers, take more problems, and keep on practicing. Whenever you get a free time, keep on doing practice, because that really help us to get focused. The intention is to develop that focus. And the story of Arjuna, you all know that when Drona asked him, "What you see?" he said that see only the eyes of a bird. Okay, when Bhima and others were saying, "I can see the fruits on a tree, I can see the leaves on a tree." So similarly, a good mathematician or the good student of mathematics always focus on the pattern or the smaller numbers. Uh, this is what even all great mathematicians say the same thing. Divide the bigger problem into the smaller problems and try to solve it. That way it will be very much easier and quicker to solve. And those who recognize the pattern fast solve the problem fast. Okay. So what I'm trying to teach in today's class is that not only the techniques, but trying to teach the main important part is that observation. Okay. One need to focus to learn and observe. So another good technique I always tell everyone, what you can do to develop the observation. Maybe just sit at the window, observe outside your home, see what is happening around you, see which bird are coming, which birds are there, how many leaves are there, what is the shape of the leaves. Okay, whenever you walk on the road, observe the how many shops are there, observe your steps carefully. Okay, those who are very keen on observation, and they are very calm in nature. Okay, and then once you become very calm in nature and you start observing, you start enjoying the things which is happening around you. Okay, that's the right technique to go for, and it helps us to develop our concentration as well as power of memory or power of brain. Okay, so that's what even most of the sadhus or people who meditate, what they do is they simply observe. Okay, and it's a good thing to do. Observe the human beings, observe the animals, observe the nature, observe the numbers. Okay? The more you learn to observe, or more you learn to learn from them, learn more about it. Yeah. So that is very important aspect of our life. That is observation. Okay. We should react less. Okay. We should not respond too quickly. We should observe quickly and then decide what we wanted to do very in a calm manner, and then decide what next steps we wanted to take it further. Yeah. Once you nurture this habit in your day-to-day life, no matter about the problems as well as in your day-to-day life, you'll be very very composed person. Okay, even when doing the household work, and people say that one should be doing multiple tasks at the same time. I'm totally against it. One should be doing one task at a time. Okay, you shouldn't be doing multiple things at the same time, because your brain cannot focus on your say fraction delta time. Your brain cannot focus on multiple things at a time. I mean, there is very good saying in Marathi, "Ek na dad barabar chindya." Okay, okay. I really like that sentence. That's why one need to focus on one thing at a time. Okay? If you are cooking,
Yes,
focus on
correct.
cooking. Okay? If you are studying, focus on study. If you are listening music, focus on listening to the music. Okay? Because that gives you immense pleasure. What it develops, the concentration develops the pleasure. Because if you even learn the abhanga, or if you are say listening abhanga, good music, then you will understand the meaning of the words used by the sense. And once you understand the true meaning of that abhanga or the words used, you will really enjoy that particular song or abhanga in multifold. Means your happiness grows in a multifold. Okay? Or you suppose if I am cooking a dish, if I focus on my cooking my dish, okay, I only focus all my concentration on that dish, it becomes so perfect. Okay. So that's the way one should observe, and that's the way one should focus. Okay. Those who say that we can do multiple things at the same time and all, this is not the right thing. Okay, because it you that will make your mind more diverse. Okay, our intention is not to make our mind diverse, but to teach our mind to be stable at one place and focus on one thing at a time. Okay, to take back the mind from the world and put it inside us. Okay, sorry for all this lecture, but my intention is you can use those techniques what I learned in my life. Right? It will be useful to all of you. Yeah? So today's Subhashi is Sundaropi, Sushilopi, Kulinopi, Mahadanaha. Shobhate na vina vidya, vidya sarvasya bhushanam. Okay, very, 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 very beautiful Subhashi. Okay, the person may be very beautiful, very good nature, from a distinguished family, or even very rich. But if he is illiterate or not having a vidya, okay, he is out of place in the society. Okay, so proper education or proper learning is for everyone considered as an ornament. See,
Correct.
education and learning not always happen in the schools or universities. Okay, it happens in our day-to-day life. Okay, one should be keep on learning in our day-to-day life. Every day one should be keep on learning till we die. Okay, because our brain keeps on learning every time. Okay, and there is no age to learn, and there is no schools or university. They are important, but they are not necessary things to one to be get educated. Even when you go into the forest, you can see the people who are well educated in the forest. Okay, because they have learned from their day-to-day life. Okay, so it is important vidya to achieve the vidya from universe to within you. That is the formula, or that is the way it works. Yeah. Okay. I hope you like the today's Subhashit. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Yeah. Is today's technique clear? And this is the homework.
Yes,
I will post it in our group. Homework. I will put a video as well as I will send the slides. Yeah. Any
thank you,
doubts?
sir.
Yeah. Any doubts? Feel free to ask. Yeah. Otherwise, we'll stop. Yeah. Yeah. Clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Thank you. Thanks for attending
Thank
today.
you. Yes, thank you,
Please
sir.
do your homework and please revise the old chapters or old lectures. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. We will stop. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. Bye.